Hi guys! Very nice to sit under the sun. It seems like so quiet. Seems like no anything in Bahrain. Just enjoy life guys. Don't think the problem. Don't think anything. See, it's so nice to be in the sunset. Look at that guys. Very nice. Wait muna ang brief. It's so quiet guys. Walang mga residents dito kasi nag-alisan na sila. Pero tayo, nandito pa rin tayo. Lumalaban sa hamon ng buhay guys. Kakayanin natin yan. Yan. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog.